This is me and my buddy's bill. Me, him, and his dad did 92 YJ on 35 by 14.5 inch boggers with 5.3 vortex swap 4L60E transmission. So we got bumpers, lift, in America, of course. And Louisiana, of course. They did have mufflers. He wanted it louder, so now it has shorties on shorties with straights, no cats. And there's PCM where we mounted it, radio, bass. Let y'all see the motor. And YJs did not have bright headlights at all, so it had LED headlights. I believe like $100 off Car ID is where I ordered them. There's transmission cooler, Mishimoto full aluminum radiator, 12,000 pound bedlined winch. Alright, here's where the magic is. 5.3 shorty headers, you got them header wrapped. Full aluminum radiator, a Mishimoto electric fan, custom mounted it, and homemade cold air intake, K&N. There's, oh wait, I'm sorry, the fan's a Flexi-Lite, I forgot. He was going to get a Mishimoto Flexi-Lite fan, PSI conversion. That's where we got the harness and PCM, K&N advanced adapters. Did great things for us, and it's got a Atlas performance transfer case. It's 5.3 4L60E transfer case. Do have stock rear end. It's handling it good, just need a traction bar. It's bending leaf springs. It's our third set until we realize it's got axle wrap, and that's what's bending the leaf spring. Another shot. And front bumper, roof country lift, also has 3-inch body lift as well. Bumper up in the rear too, homemade shackle. Love it. It can beat about anything. It's daily driver, gets about 13 miles per gallon, and still don't have a custom tune. When I get a custom tune, it'll help a little bit too. And the electric fan, don't let it get over 160 degrees. It does great. And no problems at all with the front end. With the bigger lift, we had to get a bigger pitman arm and custom made a bracket right there. Like I said, custom fan mount, so that may or may not be a road sign that I found in Mexico. Well, if y'all would like to see more and videos of it in the mud, I'll be posting them. And yeah, that people say straight sound like crap, but the piping's so straight because the gas tank is in the rear, as you can tell. So the piping's straight, so it doesn't pop at all unless you put it in neutral and or park and rev it. Speaking of that, see, we have a floor shifter. Get the camera to focus. It's got park, reverse, neutral, drive, second, and first. And we got a plate right here, right there, and bought the center console online. So, well, I'll let y'all hear it. Well, one more thing before I do that, I'll show y'all what it did. We made a inline fuel pump, as you can see right there. Need to relocate it to the rear because fuel pumps do better at pushing than pulling, and it has to pull all the fuel up to the front. So we're going to relocate it to the rear. Here's the startup. And also, it does have a check engine light because I got to replace the mass airflow sensor. But other than that, it does not have a check engine light. The PSI performance computer comes with all the emissions deleted out of it. So, said the shorty headers did away with the piping from the EGR. It does have a small EGR, if y'all didn't know. And custom block off plate, and it has the front O2 sensors because the rear O2 sensors are for emission. This is my personal truck. I'm gonna show y'all what I did for my EGR delete. I ordered this block off plate off Amazon. I thought it looked cleaner than what we did on that, so that's what I did with that. I also have a PSI computer. Love it, works great. If y'all got any questions or comments, feel free to comment on me. Let's see, we got interior LEDs made. Well, we made them and put some in the grill, which looks excellent at night, but can't see it right now hardly. Like I said, 1992 Jeep YJ, 5.3 Vortex swap, PSI conversions, computer, PCM, and the harness, and the flex light fan, Mishimoto full aluminum radiator for this swap. Works great. Does not have cruise control, if y'all are wondering. And there's something else we got to buy for the harness because the Jeep sent a different signal to the speedometer, so we got to buy some kind of thing. So the RPM gauge does not work right now, and neither does the speedometer. But see, temperature works, fuel works, oil pressure works, and battery works. Just not the RPM gauge and the speedometer. offset PSI conversions, and it's where we chose to mount it. Keep it out of the water and all, because they take it mud riding. And when we bought the Jeep, it did have a snorkel on it. It wasn't hooked up, but it had the snorkel on it. He said he put it on there for looks. You know, don't really matter, because put a new motor in it anyway. And I can't take it off because it has a gigantic hole in the side of the Jeep. So I'd be left with a giant hole. 35, 14.5, 15-inch wheels, offset. Do have these are Ford rims, so we got adapters and 2-inch spacers. Solid axles, so you don't have any problem with ball joints or anything like that with that deep of offset plus spacers. Let's see, we'll get another shot. Body lift. Alright, now I'm in it. I just kept thinking of things, and I want to try to cover everything for y'all. Alright, thank y'all for watching.